Well, Stuart's talking to this old man that's been coming here since 1955. This is his, like, 60th, 62nd Sebring. So, yeah, he's going to show us something. I'm not sure what's going on. And Stuart's talking to him, so we're just going to follow him and see what's going on.
What was your name, sir?
Richard.
Stuart. Pleasure to meet you, Richard.
I took these pictures.
You took all these photos?
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, wow. So it's a BMW M1. That's a Lancia Stratus.
Yeah.
No way.
That's the Coke
Now,
935.
Yeah, this guy here, I knew him. Anatoly Antarolf or whatever his name was.
Yeah,
Oklahoma.
Anatoly Antarolf.
He would drive that. See that little trailer?
Mm-hmm.
He would drive it in from Oklahoma every year for the Sebring race for about
Wow.
5 or 6 years.
That's incredible.
He was the only Lancia. You know Lancia.
Group 44 Jag.
Wait a minute, I'm impressed. You knew it was a Lancia Stratos.
Man,
It was the only one racing in the United States.
they call me the walking encyclopedia on this
Is that
channel
right?
for a reason.
Yeah.
When we did all the vintage stuff
Holy
at Daytona.
I know, I'm impressed that you recognize that
Oh, I
car.
thank you, sir.
Dude,
Look at the
look at
Group
that.
44 Jag.
Yeah.
Group 44 TWR Jaguar.
Tullius is.
Dude, look
I
at
got.
that.
Mr.
Wow.
Tullius was a really nice guy, and he let me take a picture of him in
Wow.
his crowd.
That's insane.
That's
Looking
Tullius-
old
That's Tullius right
E9 CSL
That
Batmobile.
there.
Another 935. A 917. A Golf 917.
Oh,
That
man.
must have been 1971. Am I correct?
Yeah, probably.
Wow. The number 2 Golf 917. That is a car
Dude,
that won
this
Le
is
Mans
nuts.
twice. That's insane.
A lot of old stuff.
Look at the Coke.
Oh, no way, Preston Hen, Swat Shop. Look at
Yep, that's it.
that. Wow, Hen's T-Bird.
That 935 Kremer.
This is a K3.
Yeah,
the
is this the same car
Yep,
that we saw at
K3
Daytona?
Kremer.
This is.
Oh,
I think
wow.
this is a K3 swap shop.
Yep.
Yeah.
We saw the March '84G swap shop car.
Yeah.
That was
Yeah.
a that was a nasty
yeah,
car.
yeah. The guy that owned all the what do you call them? The
Swap Shop.
well,
That's another shot of that
I'm trying
Stratus
to
right
think of
there.
the name
Oh,
of it.
okay.
The in on the chain of whatever you call them, places where you buy and sell stuff.
Oh, the flea markets?
Yeah, free market.
Yeah,
He was the free market king.
Oh, yeah, that's
Forever.
right. You know,
Yeah.
my dad would know all this stuff off the top of the... My dad's probably seen all this stuff race. That's just...
There you go,
This
man.
is... And look, just Polaroids of 935s chasing each other and a 250 TR. I mean, that's just insane.
You should have these photographs,
Oh.
like, digitally restored.
You have an encyclopedic memory apparently.
I love motorsports with all my heart. I really do.
Yeah.
This is the one thing that brings me out of the monotony of
And
daily
actually,
life.
what I do is year to year I bring out different eras, and this is sort of whatever these guys in every year.
Wow, this is insane.
What else is there?
It's pretty
Dude.
cool.
You think a GoPro will work?
Oh, it's picking
Oh,
it
yeah,
up.
look.
It is sure is picking it up.
Here's my phone for light.
It's picking up everything clear as day.
Yeah.
So, just for preface here, Richard, you've been coming to this track since 1952,
Yeah.
and your first 12 hours of Sebring officially was when? What year was your first 12 hours of Sebring? 1952 or 55?
1952.
1952. Wow.
But the only
incredible.
stuff to prove it is 55.
You know, I would believe you. You know, I have no reason not to doubt you. With all these photographs and all the things I heard you talking about, that's just... So let me put this in perspective. Richard has been coming since the first 12 hours of Sebring 67 years ago. That's insane. That is so incredible. I'm on my 16th year, my dad's on my 50th, and this is, you blow us out of the water. Sir, you earn my eternal respect.
And I
at this
appreciate
track.
it.
And this is the mound that we're camping on right now. This is Richard's mound. He's the mound dweller here. And, you know, I will respect your mound every year that I come here.
Mound Dweller credential,
Yep.
Richard.
I will respect your mound as much as I can. I will. This is just I'm speechless right now with all these old photos. This is
right there. Are you old enough?
This is stuff that you can't see on the internet. These are photos you will never see on the internet
Yeah.
until now. This is a lot of these cars. This might be the first documentation of them from this angle or from this phase in their motorsports career. Some of the people in these photos may have never have photos on the internet. I mean, this is just, the history here is unbelievable. Look at that old BMW M1.
Look at that.
That is so cool.
I think I've seen that car.
Wow.
Maybe.
And that GTU Stratus from a different angle. That is so pretty.
Is it the same car?
Yep, that's the same
Oh,
car.
so that one's a 7.
Oh, that one's a
this is
number
an
7, that's a number 80. So those are two
Yeah.
different Stratuses.
80. Yeah.
Oh, that is so cool, dude.
Let's see. Is that?
Wow.
What do we have here? Is that an
So
E9? Is that an
Yes,
E9?
that is an E9
TSL?
Batmobile. Yep,
There you go.
that's a Batmobile. Richard, this is so unbelievably cool. Thank you for sharing this with me. This is insane.
Oh, great. Is that a wrap?
That's a
That
wrap.
would, that
Thank
would
you.
be a wrap.
Okay. And
Wow.
somewhere here we have credentials.
I would be honored. I really would. One for me and one for my dad.
Everyone,
Thank you, sir.
you need one?
Oh, yes, I do.
So, oh,
There we go.
wait a minute. Well,
I got one.
that was a clip. It doesn't. Is it okay? It's got, that one's only got a clip. Wait a
That's
minute
okay.
though. That may no. Unfortunately, you know, the original ones had to. We had my son did. My son's a computer expert, and I told him what to do. You know. I found all the decals and whatever. And he had all the correct colors and everything. Yeah, the Corvette was yellow and the Ford was blue and whatever. And there are a few mound dwellers that still have the original ones, and I'm jealous as hell because I got one of the damn reprints where the colors didn't work.
Yeah.
You know.
Oh, this looks to be one of the reprints where the colors weren't quite right.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the colors are kind of right on this. This is cool, man. Wow.
Yeah, are we good? We got enough?
Yeah.
Put that on your computer desk.
I will.
Yeah. That'll be.
I don't know if this is like just general RV parking or. Here. Yeah.